Alright, so this is how you install Ollama on a Linux machine. I'm using Zorin OS. It's based off of Ubuntu. Anyways, so you go to ollama.com, or you can just go in the browser and type Ollama, and then go to Ollama, and click download whatever OS you're using. Linux is selected for me because I guess it knows. You copy this command, open up your command prompt, paste it in. Now I already have it installed, but this is also how you would update it if you need a newer version. So I run that. And once it's done, I have Ollama installed. So if you just type Ollama, it'll show you the commands. If it's not installed, it won't do it. So if it is, it shows you commands. So I could do Ollama and list to show which LLMs I already have installed. And so there's different ways to get more LLMs. Like if I do run, I could run a model. So I could do let's see. Well, so think about it. Now I'm in the chat, so I answer it, and then if you want to get out, you just press /by, and now I'm back. So if you want to get another model, you would go to models, and so then if it's a chat model, most of those are like thinking, or you could do by newest. So I already have that one installed. And also the parameters is these. So if you have a lower end PC graphics card, you're going to want to be down here. But if I have a 1490, so I could run up to like 70 billion parameters based on the model. But I usually get like the 32 because it starts getting a little slow when you get up that high. But in order to get the model, so if I want this Quinn 3, I would click on that, and then I need to pick the parameters. So this one's the latest, and it's 5.2 gigabytes, and it's 8 billion parameters. Or I'm sorry, yeah, 8 billion. So it's 0.6 billion, 1.7, all the way up to something crazy. So let's say I want to get the latest. I would just copy that with the parameters, and then I would go back to my command prompt, and I would go llama pull, and then I would paste in that model. So this one's just pulling it. So it'll go through the steps, pull it. You can see in my list right there, I don't have Quinn 3. But when this is done, so now it only pulled it, so it won't start it. You can also pull it and run at the same time. So if I said, Ollama run Quinn 3 and it wasn't installed, it would install it and then drop me into it. So there's my list. Now I have Quinn 3. So the reason that I have Ollama installed, this is my AI computer. It has the 4090 GPU. I want to be able to not have to do localhost because I'm going to do like N8N8 on another machine, on another Docker, and I want to just use this machine for running Ollama and LLMs, and it just be, dedicated for that. So one of the things that you have to do, which I found out eventually, was you have to go to edit this file, and mine's already edited, but I'll show you. So it's sudo systemctl edit ollama.service. So this dropped me in nano, and now this service, this environment is already in there, but this one likely, if it's a fresh install, it'll say localhost that. So you can only get to it by going localhost or 127.0.0.1, whatever, to loop back. But if you want to be able to access this PC from your network at this port, or get to a llama from something else, like an N8N that I have run on another machine, I can access ollama here. So you have to change it to 0.0.0.0 colon and then the port number, and Control X and Control Y to save it, and enter to save it with the same name. I didn't make any changes, so it just let me get out. So that's how you would be able to access it on your network with your PC's IP address, your network IP. But also, if you want to do the run or check the status, there's a couple more commands. So you can see that it has some additional information. But I'll paste these down in the chat. Thanks for watching.